I was trying to figure out, because all of them are different. They're all gonna have like these different little knobs and things to go ahead and make sure that you make it a little bit easier for yourself. But normally what I like to do is make sure I have this, I hold it, so that way it's not moving on me. Because even though it has these rubber grips, you never know if it's going to go like that. So I make sure that it stays there. And then I use my other hand to kind of...
Now,
and you just want a smooth
where are the
motion.
seeds?
That's going to be right in a minute. So you're starting with that part, you don't want to go slow, and then you can kind of go a little bit faster. Keep going.
Yeah.
You can do it by hand, you can just cut it with a knife. But I mean, you get nice paper thin. Nice and even, probably more than we need, but we're just gonna get the big pieces here.
I was thinking just top to bottom.
Yeah,
right.
Bottom to top, I would have done the round one.
Right, so we want to make sure we do it like lengthwise, so that way we do get these nice.
I did not find the orange flower water in HEB, but I did find it on Amazon. And they mailed it right away. I got it the next day. But I did learn more about my mandoline meat.
Because I believe we made them in that oven.
You made them in that oven,
right.
and you used 8 minutes.
Right.
I could have taken mine out at 8, but 9 seemed perfect.
We'll take the knife class sometime.
We have a free one actually. I really want to leave it out anyways. So I mean, leaving it out for a couple hours isn't gonna hurt it.
Oh, I'll leave mine out.
Just make sure you have little spots in between, so you can kind of alter it. Just kind of go all over the place.
That's what the Barefoot Contessa says too. Do a design that you enjoy.
Right. I mean, that's a lot of times why in certain restaurants I would be like, I want to do it this way. So we have this is a 1 inch, and then I have a couple right there. There's a couple of 1.5 inch, but they're all olive wood. So we're just gonna brush it all over the top.
Have you ever put them in the dishwasher?
I haven't.
I've never put anything with a wood handle in the dishwasher.
Right.
Even though we don't have a heating element in the dishwasher anymore, but it's just, I know, I wash my hand. Now those little silicone.
The silicone ones that have like the but if it has the hairs on it, I try to leave them just because that high pressure of the heat, it's gonna go ahead and just kind of mess with
Destroy
it.
the bristles.
Yeah, you wash them like soapy water and then let them air dry.
Right, just air dry them.
Dawn.
Yeah.
Bourbon barrel. It's Bourbon Barrel Foods, and they smoke their seasonings in bourbon barrels. It's all smoked pepper, and their pepper, and oh my god, it's so good.
Exactly.
So we're making this a little bit more grown up.
Really.
Sounds good to me. Alright,
How
so we
we
have
make
maple
this at my
syrup.
next get
butter.
together.
Sometimes when I bake anything, I like to check it halfway through. Because a lot of times, I mean, this is optional. Just if you want that, you can add like nutmeg, or you can add any kind of like allspice, anything that long. As you see, like this oven's cooking pretty fast. So do this, and we're kind of adding that sweetness to the very top of it. And I mean, this says about a quarter, but I'm just gonna really go heavy on my I'm not gonna tap it off. I'm just gonna go ahead and just scoop it and just make sure I get it right over here.
And that's the
Actually,
glaze.
that
The
looks-
maple syrup and butter glaze.
Maple syrup, butter,
caramelize
and then
everything.
right. And again, I would do something like this especially for the holidays. Go ahead and put this back in. That wants to go ahead and bake into it, so that way we get a lot of that flavor in the actual shell. So that way we added it halfway through the cooking, so that way it soaks in, and then we're just going to go ahead and add a lot more here to the top, just to add that sweetness. And then, of course, when you add your ice cream on top of that, that's what's it's going to go ahead and set it a little bit more. And again, I go heavy on the brushes just to kind of let it soak into it.
You just sweetened it up a little bit more. I might want a bigger piece this time.
Yeah, I'll make sure we cut these nice.